Hi, I'm Jamie.
I'm Shelby and this is Reggie. And this is Bella.
We travel the globe in our self-converted Iveco daily named Ivy.
You are now watching Expedition Rebellions!
So this is part 2 of the Nature's Head toilet. What you'll need for this is a container. Your container could be 10 litres, 5 litres. I've gone for 25 litres just to store as much urine as possible. But whatever fits underneath your van really. If you can't fit a 25, get a 10 or 15 or whatever the situation is. But I got this free from a warehouse locally. It was screen wash. Two things what you'll need is garden hose. Cut a bit off your mum and dad's, whatever. I got that for free. You'll need some screw rod. This is to fasten the container to the bottom of your van. You'll need some screw rod connectors. This is just to make it easier than bolting it all up and stuff. You can screw these to the bottom of your van, hang the screw rod from it. The max it's going to lift is 25 litres, well, 25 kilograms. So it's easy enough to just grab these instead of doing the bolts. And a piece of metal just for the brackets on the bottom of the bottle. All in all, this has cost me absolutely nothing to make, but I guess if you bought the pots, you had to pay for the pots. Probably cost you about £20, £30 maximum. So I'm going to make the bracket first for this, just get that over and done with. Fitting it and everything else I'm going to do tomorrow morning. But this is 240 wide, we're going to do 250 wide, 240 wide. So we're going to make the bracket for this first, and then I'm going to fit all the parts to it tomorrow, and I'll show you it tomorrow. But the bracket is going to be about, the bottle is about 245 wide, I'm going to say 250 wide. So then I'm going to leave probably like, it's 10mm M10 rod, I'm going to leave about 15-20mm each side. So if it's 250 wide, 15mm each side, I'm going to cut it. I don't want it with too much overhang of each side. So 250 plus 15 plus 15, we're working 280. I'm going to take it as. So have a look at the 280 on here, see what that looks like. 280 looks good enough for me on that. So 280, we'll drill holes, get everything ready. And then everything else can get fitted and put in tomorrow, plumbing for it, and the brackets and everything will be done tomorrow morning. We've cut both of them. Now we're just gonna put the drill through them both, get them drilled, and then get them painted for tomorrow. Boshka. They're all drilled and that. I'm about to just send these off to the paint shop. I'll catch up with you when they're done. I'm just going to go and check on how things are doing in the paint shop. We got.
Guys.
We got. So I've just picked up 2 coin parts. What you'll need is a tap to drain the waste and also a tank adapter. When you get the tank adapter, try and get one with as little head on top so it drains down to as minimal as possible. The more head on top of the tank adapter, the higher the water's going to sit inside the tank, the water's not going to drain. You don't really want that. You want to try and get as much of the fluid out because it starts smelling really badly and stuff like that. Yeah, we'll get on with that now. I'm just going to position this tank adapter. I'm going to put it quite near the front. I'm going to put it probably about here. One thing I can fit my hand through, tighten it up perfectly fine, and another thing is, if that's the edge of the van, I want the tank adapter to be as close as I can so I can turn it off quite easily. So I am going to mount it the opposite way around as this, but this will be the edge of the van. I'll silicone around this screw, put a bit of silicone around the screw and screw it up, and that should just make sure that that doesn't see a leak at all. Well, yep, that's about it. So I've just installed that. Just a little tank adapter. You see how shallow it is on the edge, and then a little 15mm pipe between both of them. This obviously just allows it to when it's open like that. Close. So I'm just about to clamp this container on. I've just sorted the screwed rod. I've cut them into 500mm pieces. The container are about 350, so extra 150mm to connect it to the top. I can always cut more off if I want to. So I just put the fastening fixture on the end with a M10 nut just to lock it off, and they'll just be screwed on the bottom of the van. I'm just going to seal up this screwed lid. How I'm going to do it is unscrew it, put that down there, and then I'm just going to put some sealant up. This sealant won't be solid. Sealant around the edge, it's not the prettiest thing, but you don't have to. Screw that on like that. Alright. Yeah. So once you've got all the tank clamped on underneath the van and it's all there in place, you're going to need, God knows, some kind of funnel. I've seen people even use cups for this, but you can buy one of these for about £2 off eBay, something like that. And then a screwdriver. And then what you want to do, so then what you want to do is drill a hole into your van with the width of the garden hose. Then you're going to pass the garden hose down through the hole. So I'll do that now. this onto the end. Tight. I haven't even got a place for this. Tank fastened underneath. It's not fully strapped up yet, but this is the tube that comes down from the top. All you want to do is basically move it and then move it into the hole that you put on top. Make sure there's no kink there, and that's it basically. These can all be tightened up now, bringing this up. That's basically it.